In order to activate your Union Bank debit card online, you need to go ahead and download the Union Bank online app from your App Store or the Play Store on your mobile device, or you can also use the website for it. Now, once you go ahead and open the app, log into your specific account, and if you're a new user, you can go ahead and register for an account as well. Now, on the dashboard, you need to select Activate Card option, which is highlighted in yellow color. Choose debit card as your card type and enter your card details as prompted. Enter the 16-digit card number, its expiry date, and birthday as well. Once done, you need to enter your one-time password, that is OTP, to verify your account. It will be sent to your registered mobile number to verify your information. And your card is now activated and ready for online and offline transactions. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.